Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shammu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So today I'm going to do a little bit haul of the things I have bought. So I hope you like this and let's get started. Okay, the first thing I bought is a scissor because I know that my dad is like literally so angry because I'm using all his scissors. So I bought the scissor in the first place. And the next things, I bought this cute looking pink and white beaded chains. They kind of made with velvet. I really like them. I wanted an aqua blue but they didn't have, so I just got white and pink. I bought few kundans. Few kundans to do some jewelry or something. And I got these silver color jump rings because I am obsessed with silver earrings. So I bought silver color jump rings to do, much more fun earring stuff. And I got this. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. They can be used with tassel earrings, but I'm not doing too many tassel earrings, but I bought it anyways to keep them aside, like when in need, who knows, just to have them in case when I need. I also bought these hoops, silver hoops, because why not. I also got gold jump rings because I completely used all of them, so I just got this. I also got these earring base. I finished almost all of them, so I just didn't want to be like, oh my god, go crazy, I didn't have them, so I just got them a packet. I bought even gold hoops. You can see they are bigger size than I usually buy because I just wanted to try bigger size hoops. I also bought few bangles to do something like DIY, like I usually do DIY bangles and all. So you can just check out in the links if you want to watch the videos. So yeah, I got this for about 40 rupees, I guess. Yeah. This is what I bought in silver mode. So I bought this stud base so that I could do silver stud earring. I guess this is for about 20 rupees, I guess. Yeah. So now comes the most of the things I have bought. So this is what I bought. So I got a lot of pearls because I am planning to do a pearl DIY, a pearl necklace or a pearl bracelet or anything, pearl earrings or something. So I got 3 different sizes of pearls, as you can see, bigger, smaller, and bigger, medium and smaller. So yeah, I think each packet is of 60 rupees. This is 60 and this is 60. So this is 20 rupees packet. Yeah, this is 20 rupees packet. And I wanted to do a stone bracelet or earring, so I just got this. They are very costly. I mean, this is just 40 rupees. It has around 10, and the smaller size is around 30 rupees. I also got this. I love this color pearls. I mean, they look really nice and cool. I already used them in a lot of my videos, a lot of my DIYs. So yeah, I just bought another one because I need it. And similarly, I bought these hangings. They are pearl shaped hangings. They are drop shape and they are round shape. So I got this drop shape. I think they're cute. I bought this elastic elastic wire so that I could do bracelets. I mean, this is just a wire, so I mean, it's kind of loose. I want it to be really strong, so I decided to get the elastic one. Sadly, they don't have a smaller size. I wanted a smaller than this, but they have only this size. So that's it, guys. Yes, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button